Everyone's gonna say, is she big in real life like that?
They're definitely not gonna say that because you're definitely not. Okay, how should we do the intro? Like my normal intro, but you can't just be sitting there looking like a doof. And I need you to go ahead and pull up the questions.
Okay.
Oh, we need a thumbnail. So put up your name.
What's a thumbnail?
A thumbnail is
A cover photo.
yeah. So you make it kind of cute.
Wait, I have to look thick.
I'm not posing. You talking about some?
You said both.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. I don't know what to do with it. This is awkward. I don't like it. Okay.
Hey y'all, it's me and this is KissiaDee the channel, and as you see, I have my beautiful sister here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Kaylin. I can't. Hi, I'm Kaylin. I don't know what to say. How do I say that?
Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Kaylin Slay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Kaylin Slay. Follow me on Instagram at @TheKaylinSlay.
So everybody has been asking for like an update on who we are now. So in the sneezing video, I was recording. She was the one actually sneezing. So here we are, all grown up.
Okay, so I was 11.
Oh yeah, you were 11.
I was 11 in the sneezing video. Now I'm 19. 18. I'm not 19. I'm definitely 18.
So you were 11, so you were 11?
Yeah.
So that made me 18? Yeah.
And
So
I'm
she was
18
11,
now.
I was 18, she's 18 now. Wow.
Yeah.
Mind blown. So yeah, it's 7 years. The video now has what, 10 million views, I think, just on YouTube. But we found out it went viral because somebody sent it to you, right? I think.
On Twitter.
Yeah. Yes, on Twitter. That's how we found out it went viral, and it's been nonstop ever since. So here we are. Okay, so we decided to do the most likely to challenge. So we're gonna ask some questions and lift up these cards of who, oh my God, this is upside down. And lift up these cards to tell you who is most likely to with the questions. So
get the questions.
get the questions out.
Okay.
Where are your cards at?
Wow.
All right, perf. Let's get it.
Okay. So, do I just go in order?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who is nicer?
You're lying.
I'm definitely nicer.
Why do you feel like you're nicer?
I think I'm just a nicer person overall.
I definitely don't
I
think
think
so.
I would just do more for people.
Caleb,
Than
you're
Kiki would do more for
so
people.
rude. You literally tell people they're a waste of space. Yeah, let's not forget.
All
Moving
right.
on.
Most likely to lose their keys. That's
Kaylin.
I
Kaylin
lose
loses everything.
Okay.
Literally everything.
Who's the crybaby? Oh, wait.
I say both.
No, I say her. She cries over. I can't have a serious conversation with Kissia. I just start crying.
I cry over emotional things. Kaylin sent me a video like 2 weeks ago, and she was crying because she spilled queso on her shoes. So who's
That's
really
upsetting.
the?
I'm not a crybaby. I cry
That's
over
not
things that you should cry
upsetting.
about. That is upsetting.
I cry over things you should cry about, like people die.
She cries more than I do. She's a crybaby.
All right, moving on.
Who is goofier? Probably
You.
me.
Definitely you. Because you're just. Yeah.
Cute. I'm just cute. Most likely to fall asleep at a party.
You once again.
That's me.
You used to fall asleep at the dinner table when we would be out like at restaurants.
Yeah.
So definitely you.
Oh, who is most likely to get in trouble when you were younger? Probably me.
Yeah. Definitely.
Because I would test the waters. Is that the phrase?
Yeah. Definitely testing. You got whooped a lot more than I did.
Anyway, most likely to lose their temper. Probably
Ooh,
me.
Probably.
I don't get angry though. I'm not an angry person.
Well, I'll lose my temper.
See, maybe.
So maybe it might be me. So it might be me.
Because I don't get angry.
Because whenever you get
when I'm
angry,
angry, I'm like calm. I'm like
yep.
yeah.
Whenever you get angry, it's more like you just won't talk. Unless you just want to be ignorant. Yeah.
Who's clumsier?
Oh, not me. You. Definitely you.
I fall
All the time.
a lot over everything. I spilled queso on my shoes. Most likely it takes long to get ready.
You're joking. Today, we were supposed to start this video at what time?
But I wasn't, I had a dilemma, so I couldn't get ready on time, but it takes Kissia a good hour to get ready. It takes me a good 30 minutes.
I don't believe so. It doesn't take you 30 minutes.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. I'm gonna have to disagree with that.
Well, she's the one. Okay. Most likely to survive in a horror movie.
Yeah,
I
definitely
would say
me.
her, because I'd probably fall or...
Yeah.
When I get scared, I fall. So I definitely wouldn't survive.
Literally.
Most likely to laugh at an inappropriate time. I'd say both of us, yeah.
Both of us. And it's like, it's bad.
Because I laugh a lot.
Yes. And in uncomfortable
Oh my
situations,
gosh.
I think we both laugh.
Yeah. I was just at this party and this boy, he smoked too much and he drank too much and he passed out. He passed out.
And you laughed.
And people thought he was seizing. And I was crying. I couldn't stop laughing. It was so funny. I knew he was fine. He was just stupid.
That's terrible. That
It's
is terrible.
really funny.
Okay, so I have a few more. Who is most likely to get in a fist fight?
Probably you.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm not a fighter.
Okay, maybe me. Maybe me. Because I do lose my temper and I don't play.
Yeah. I'm not really I fight with
You-
my
you
words
like to
before
cuss
my
people out,
hands.
yeah. Definitely. What's some other stuff we could ask?
The cutest. So that's definitely.
Definitely not.
I just really feel bad for Kissia because you were born in 1993, so she was what, 7 when I was born? Or
Yes.
8?
I was 7.
And she just had to grow up with accepting that she was the ugly sister.
Let's
And that
not.
She had to go 7 years with thinking that she was cute, and then me being brought into this earth being a lot cuter than her. So I feel really bad for you. I do. I'm sorry that you had to go through that.
And I feel bad for you
the
because
cutest one.
I was, Kaylin she feels as if she was the cutest, but clearly you can see any of her cuteness came from somebody, you know what I'm saying? But I feel bad for you because I feel like, I was that child whenever we were younger. If the question was who's smarter, it would probably be me because, I always, going through school, it was just easy for me. Kaylin struggled a lot more. Second grade was a bad time for her. It was hard for her to get
Yeah, second grade.
Yeah, so, trying to live up to a standard of me, it's hard living in a shadow. So, if she feels like she needs to be cuter, then, I'll take that.
Okay. That's good.
Get off of Snapchat. We are recording.
Hi, welcome to IT Talk. Basic. Okay.
Yes. So for our next question, who is messier? Thank you.
I'm not messy. I'm not
You're
dirty.
junky though.
I'm not junky. I don't like that word. I'm not messy
You're
or
junky.
junky. Sometimes I just like things.
You're cluttery. You're cluttery. You always have stuff underneath the bed. If I can show y'all her room, it's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. I have lotion.
Well, I couldn't live in this. The door is open in the closet. Her bed isn't made.
And I was rushed.
You have socks. Where are those socks or whatever? Her pillows, those pinjos. Those pillows look
those
dingy.
pinjos, they did. No, they don't.
You're just messy. It's disgusting. Who is most likely to get in a wreck?
Why would you even ask that? Why would you even ask that? That's rude.
Kaylin is
That's
what,
a sensitive subject. I don't talk about it.
Kaylin. Oh, let's talk about it. Kaylin you're 18, so she's been driving for 2 years. And how many accidents have you been in? Let's count. So she ran into a parked car at the dentist. 1, wrecked it, terrible. 2, she ran into another parked car. So she just has wrecks with things that aren't even moving. How?
Well, it was really just accidents.
Kaylin got a new car and already wrecked it. Within 2 weeks.
I didn't wreck it. I backed into somebody. It's not wrecked. There's a little scratch. it's not wrecked. And the other wreck that I got in, I've been in four wrecks, but
4 wrecks in 2
were
years.
only my fault.
I've been driving for.
And she hit a mailbox. You hit a car.
No.
You've been in.
I didn't hit a car.
Yeah, you did.
All
you
the accidents I've been in.
You backed out of our driveway and hit a car. So.
I forgot about that. Okay, but that was back in my younger days.
Yeah, you were my age.
Yeah, but
so it really adds up. It's the same thing.
Not really.
Yes.
Because you've already had as many wrecks as I've had, and you're only 18.
Whatever.
So thank you.
What?
Who's more athletic?
You only wanted to ask that because you know it was you.
Okay.
Well, I danced for 10 years and I was pretty dang good at it, and that's a sport. So.
Yeah, but you couldn't dribble a ball to save your life.
Well,
I've never seen you play.
Different type of athleticism. Is that the word? Different type.
Playing kickball, goodbye. No type of athlete bone in your body. But I guess. Who's more social? You think so?
I don't know. I think we're both not really social.
We're both not social people.
I hate talk. I was just talking about that. I
want
want more friends, but I'm just not friendly. I just don't like talking.
I kind of like being like separate.
Yeah. Just can't get over how good I look. I'll just like go to parties and kind of just stay by myself or with the people I came with and not really.
Yeah, but I can be social. But that's not my first choice. Yeah, I'd rather not be either. Definitely not. Okay, well, moving on. So to conclude this video, we are going to remake the original sneezing video. Okay? So the tea, because everybody was asking about this tea, and for all the people who are like making comments, I'm like, is that drugs?
Is that crack?
Is that crack?
Yes.
It's not crack.
Yes, let's go to crack to sneeze.
It's called Nuwati Herbals, the Healer Tea. I don't know where my dad got this from. I think like somebody at work or something. But yeah, sponsor us because 10 million views. Hello. Okay, so this is the tea that we used. All right, you ready?
I don't like for you to do it, so I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
Okay. So you shake it up really, really good.
Mm-hmm. Shake it up.
And then you see the smoke.
Did you get a good? Yeah, let's get a close up for this.
I hope it makes me sneeze again. I don't feel like it's going, so maybe I should do more.
Yep. Sniff it some more. I feel it.
Okay.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh Lord.
Is it coming?
I don't know. It's not gonna work.
About to make me sneeze.
It's not working for me.
One more time. If it doesn't work this time, you're just gonna have to. Oh my god, 3 hours later. I'm trying to get it. Did you shake it up good? Huh.
Oh my god. Okay, well, that took forever. Clearly, both of us are sneezing. Well, I'm doing all the sneezing. We got one good sneeze out of Caitlin, so. Why are you looking like that?
Because I have to sneeze again. And my nose broke.
Thank you guys for watching. This face will be back sooner than later. Like the video, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section below what's some more videos that we could make for the channel. What do y'all want to see? You know, let a girl know. Is there anything you would like to say? Follow her on all social media outlets.
Instagram.
Follow her on Instagram at
the Kailyn Slay, KaiLynSlay. the in front of that.
All right, y'all. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. This is KissiaDee, the channel.